Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul and today we are going to start with a new series on our channel which is Python for Data Science. So in this video we are going to look into getting some information about Python. As you can see, this video consists of the introduction to Python. So Python is an integrated high-level general purpose programming language created by Hugo van Rossum. It was released in 1991 and believe me, Python is such a cool language with a large standard library and it has shown a better performance than any other programming language in recent years. Python is free and open source and runs on all major operating systems such as Microsoft, Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Python is designed in such a way that it is highly extensible and does not have all its functionality built on to its core. This modular approach has made it popular because it acts as a means of adding programming interface to the application according to the user requirement. There are more than 300 standard libraries which may also contain modules and classes for a wide variety of programming. Along with the standard library, there are a broad collection of free available add-on modules, libraries, framework as well as the toolkits which helps Python in increasing speed for most application and enhances the productivity of the application with its strong integration. Now, if we talk about the features of Python, then Python support multiple programming paradigm including object-oriented, imperative, functional, and procedural features. Some of the most important features of Python, you can say it as follows, like Python syntax is easy to learn and code. It is developer friendly and is a high-level programming language. Like any other programming language, Python also allows branching and looping as well as modular programming using the functions. Python has an effective data handling mechanism and excellent storage facility for numerical as well as textual data. Python has a dynamic and automatic memory management which most of the programming language doesn't have. So Python has a wide collection of operators and functions for data structure such as list, tuple and dictionary. Python has a large and integrated collection of tools for data manipulation, analysis and processing. Python code is interpreted by an interpreter. This means that the line-by-line interpretation is done for efficient programming. There is no need to compile it as in many other programming languages. Python is a platform-independent programming language and hence run on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, etc. So Python is a dynamically typed programming language. This means that the type for a value is decided at runtime, not in advance. Hence, unlike any other programming language, we do not need to specify the type of variable while declaring it. Python has an integrated suite of software facilities for graphical interpretation. The rich library of Python is immensely helpful in advanced algorithms related to different specialization. Especially the machine learning algorithm of Python have brought a revolution in the field of data analytics. Now, if you talk about the sector in which the Python is getting used extensively, then it's manufacturing, telecommunication, tourism, banking, e-commerce, social media technology, analytics, healthcare, FMCG sector, financial sector, as well as entertainment. But most importantly, it is getting used in governance. So this is a simple introduction to Python, and in our next video we will be talking about the Jupyter Notebook which we will be using for our coding practice. Happy learning and see you in the next video.